Did you know that your muscles hold the secret to aging gracefully and maintaining independence well into your golden years? When muscle mass begins to decline, it's not merely a cosmetic concern, it's a warning signal that your body's foundation for health and vitality is weakening. After age 50, this gradual muscle deterioration can silently rob you of confidence, stability, and the energy to enjoy life's precious moments. Research shows that without intervention, adults over 50 can experience muscle mass reduction of 3% to 8% each decade. This decline doesn't just affect physical appearance. It compromises your ability to perform daily activities, increases fall risk, disrupts metabolism, and elevates chances of developing diabetes and cardiovascular disease. The encouraging truth is that muscle loss isn't inevitable. Through targeted nutrition choices, you can actively combat this decline and even reverse it. Today, I'll share 8 scientifically proven foods that serve as powerful allies in preserving and rebuilding muscle strength for those over 50. Consider these nutritional warriors your daily defense against age-related muscle deterioration. Before we explore these muscle-protecting foods, drop a comment telling us your location and age. Let's build a community of people committed to maintaining their strength through smart nutrition choices. Now here's the first powerful food that can help you rebuild strength and fight muscle loss after 60. Cottage cheese. This unassuming dairy product ranks among the most effective muscle preservation foods available. Cottage cheese delivers exceptional casein protein content, which releases amino acids gradually over several hours, making it perfect for sustained muscle nourishment, especially during overnight recovery periods. The slow digesting nature of casein makes cottage cheese ideal for evening consumption, providing your muscles with continuous amino acid supply while you sleep, precisely when muscle repair and growth occur most actively. Beyond protein, cottage cheese supplies abundant calcium for optimal muscle contraction and relaxation, vitamin B12 for energy metabolism and nerve function, plus phosphorus and zinc that support long-term muscle health and performance. Clinical studies demonstrate that older adults incorporating cottage cheese regularly show measurable improvements in muscle mass, strength gains, and better body composition management. For maximum benefits, select low-fat varieties to obtain complete nutritional advantages without excess saturated fats. Enhance cottage cheese with fresh berries for natural sweetness, or create savory combinations with diced vegetables, herbs like dill or chives, and seasonings such as black pepper or paprika. Always refrigerate properly and consume within the recommended time frame for optimal freshness and nutrition. Next, number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt stands as a protein powerhouse, containing nearly double the protein content of regular yogurt, while delivering beneficial probiotics that support digestive health and nutrient absorption. This thick, creamy dairy product provides complete proteins with all essential amino acids necessary for muscle maintenance and repair. The probiotics in Greek yogurt enhance gut health, which directly impacts your body's ability to absorb and utilize nutrients from other foods. A healthy digestive system ensures maximum uptake of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that fuel muscle growth and recovery. Greek yogurt also provides significant amounts of calcium for bone and muscle health, potassium for proper muscle function, and vitamin B12 for energy production. The combination of high protein content and beneficial bacteria makes it an excellent choice for supporting muscle health while promoting overall wellness. Research indicates that adults consuming Greek yogurt regularly experience improved muscle protein synthesis and better recovery after physical activity. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars that can interfere with the health benefits. Enjoy Greek yogurt with fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds for added nutrition. Blend into smoothies for a protein boost, or use as a base for savory dips and dressings. The versatility makes it easy to incorporate into any meal or snack routine. Next, number 3, flax seeds. These tiny nutritional gems pack extraordinary anti-inflammatory power that directly benefits muscle health and longevity. Flax seeds rank among the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which actively combat the chronic inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown in older adults. The anti-inflammatory properties of flax seeds help protect muscle fibers from oxidative damage, while supporting faster recovery following physical exertion. Additionally, their impressive fiber content promotes digestive efficiency, ensuring your body can properly absorb muscle-supporting minerals like magnesium and potassium. Flax seeds contain unique plant compounds called lignans, which function as powerful antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals and preserve muscle tissue integrity over time. This combination of omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants makes flax seeds a comprehensive solution for muscle health maintenance. Multiple studies confirm that regular flax seed consumption significantly reduces inflammation markers and enhances muscle resilience, particularly beneficial for individuals over 50 focused on maintaining mobility and independence. For optimal absorption, consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds daily, as whole seeds often pass through the digestive system unprocessed. Incorporate ground flax in oatmeal, smoothies, yogurt, or sprinkle over salads and cooked dishes. Store ground flax seeds refrigerated to preserve their delicate oils and prevent rancidity. Next, number 4, quinoa. This ancient grain earns its superfood status by providing complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot manufacture independently. These amino acids serve as fundamental building blocks for muscle tissue repair and maintenance, becoming increasingly crucial as natural muscle synthesis efficiency declines with age. Quinoa's complete protein profile helps maintain muscle mass, supports strength retention, and accelerates recovery after exercise or daily activities. The grain also supplies abundant magnesium, essential for proper muscle contraction and relaxation, while reducing cramping and fatigue. High fiber content in quinoa supports digestive health and enhances absorption of other nutrients, including protein, calcium, and B vitamins, all vital for maintaining strong, functional muscles. This makes quinoa a synergistic food that amplifies the benefits of your entire diet. Harvard researchers found that older adults regularly consuming whole foods like quinoa demonstrated significant improvements in muscle performance, coordination, and overall mobility compared to those with limited whole grain intake. Prepare quinoa by soaking for 15 to 20 minutes before cooking to remove natural saponins that can cause digestive discomfort. Replace refined grains with quinoa to instantly upgrade your meals with plant-based protein. Enjoy warm with vegetables, cold in salads with lemon and herbs, or sweet with fruits and nuts. Next, number 5. Walnut. Chronic inflammation represents one of the most damaging threats to muscle health as we age, progressively weakening muscle fibers and reducing overall strength. Walnuts serve as natural inflammation fighters, packed with compounds that actively protect muscles from age-related deterioration. These heart-shaped nuts provide valuable plant-based protein while delivering significant amounts of alpha-linolenic acid, a potent omega-3 fatty acid. These healthy fats reduce internal inflammation, support cellular function, and facilitate muscle tissue recovery after physical stress. Walnuts contain impressive concentrations of vitamin E, polyphenols, magnesium, and zinc, antioxidants and minerals that combat oxidative stress responsible for muscle cell breakdown. Research demonstrates that these nutrients directly contribute to muscle preservation by shielding tissues from inflammation-induced damage. Clinical studies show that older adults consistently eating walnuts exhibit lower inflammation markers, improve muscle function, and enhance cognitive performance. The connection between muscle and brain health makes walnuts particularly valuable for overall vitality and independence. Consume 7 to 10 whole walnuts daily for optimal benefits without excessive calories. Add them to breakfast cereals, blend into smoothies, mix with yogurt, or include in salads for nutritious crunch. Light toasting enhances flavor without destroying beneficial oils. Store walnuts in airtight containers in the refrigerator to maintain freshness and prevent oil rancidity. Next, number 6, salmon. This omega-3 rich fish provides exceptional high-quality protein along with anti-inflammatory compounds that specifically target muscle health preservation. Wild-caught salmon delivers complete proteins with optimal amino acid profiles for muscle maintenance and repair, while its omega-3 content actively reduces inflammation that contributes to muscle deterioration. The combination of protein and omega-3 fatty acids in salmon creates a synergistic effect, supporting both muscle building and protection from inflammatory damage. These healthy fats also promote joint flexibility and mobility, essential for maintaining active lifestyles as we age. Salmon provides additional muscle-supporting nutrients, including vitamin D for calcium absorption and muscle function, selenium for antioxidant protection, and B vitamins for energy metabolism. This comprehensive nutrient profile makes salmon an ideal choice for comprehensive muscle health support. Studies consistently show that regular fish consumption, particularly omega-3 rich varieties like salmon, correlates with better muscle mass retention, improved strength, and reduced muscle loss rates in older adults. Choose wild-caught salmon when possible for higher omega-3 content and fewer contaminants. Prepare salmon using healthy cooking methods like baking, grilling, or poaching with herbs and lemon. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week to maximize muscle health benefits while varying your protein sources. Next, number 7, blueberries. These vibrant berries contain exceptional concentrations of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that provide targeted protection against muscle aging and decline. Blueberries actively combat oxidative stress and inflammation, the primary culprits behind muscle fatigue, weakness, and extended recovery times. Beyond anthocyanins, blueberries supply vitamin C and essential minerals including potassium and manganese, all crucial for collagen synthesis. Healthy collagen maintains muscle tissue structure and elasticity, supporting optimal function during movement and exercise while promoting efficient recovery. The antioxidant compounds in blueberries help preserve muscle fiber integrity and support cellular repair processes that become less efficient with age. This protection translates to maintained strength, improved endurance, and better overall physical performance. University research demonstrates that older adults consuming blueberries regularly show significant improvements in mobility, reduced post-exercise inflammation, and enhanced physical performance compared to those not including these berries in their diets. Consume fresh or frozen blueberries to maximize antioxidant content while avoiding processed products with added sugars. Include them in morning meals, snack on them throughout the day, or blend into smoothies. Target approximately half a cup daily for optimal muscle-supporting benefits while maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Next, number 8, brown rice. This whole grain champion retains its nutrient-rich bran and germ layers, providing sustained energy and essential nutrients that fuel muscle function and recovery. Unlike processed white rice, brown rice delivers fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, manganese, and iron that work synergistically to support multiple aspects of muscle health. These nutrients contribute to efficient energy metabolism, facilitate muscle tissue repair after activity, and ensure optimal recovery from daily physical demands. The complex carbohydrates provide steady, long-lasting energy that supports muscle endurance without blood sugar spikes. Brown rice's fiber content promotes digestive health, which directly impacts nutrient absorption from all foods in your diet. Better digestion means improved utilization of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals essential for muscle growth and maintenance. Nutritional research published in peer-reviewed journals shows that older adults regularly consuming whole grains like brown rice maintain superior mobility and muscle power compared to those eating primarily refined grains. Soak brown rice before cooking to reduce preparation time and improve digestibility. Combine with lean proteins and colorful vegetables for balanced, muscle-supporting meals. The sustained energy released from brown rice helps maintain consistent performance throughout the day while supporting long-term muscle health. You now possess 8 powerful nutritional tools to combat age-related muscle loss and maintain your strength, independence, and vitality. The key to success lies in consistent action. Begin incorporating these muscle-friendly foods into your daily routine immediately and combine them with regular physical activity and healthy lifestyle practices. Each nutritious choice you make builds towards stronger muscles, enhanced energy levels, and a more vibrant, fulfilling life. Don't allow physical decline to limit your potential for joy, adventure, and meaningful connections with loved ones. Thank you for joining us today. If this information proves valuable, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with friends or family members who could benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us reach more people committed to healthy aging. Please comment with your age and location. We love connecting with our global community of health-conscious viewers. Remember, your strength truly is your freedom, and these foods are your pathway to maintaining both. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.